Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to configure validation settings in Google Forms. First, open your Google form and go to the question where you want to add validation. Here is a quick note about response validation. You can only add validation to short answer or paragraph questions. Validation is not available for multiple choice, checkbox, or drop-down questions. To add validation, click on the three-dot menu. Then click on Response Validation. From here, you can set rules based on numbers. You can also set rules based on text length or regular expressions. The available options depend on the question type. You can limit the number of words or set a numeric range. You can also add a custom error message. This message appears when a response does not meet your criteria. Using validation helps ensure accurate and consistent data collection. It reduces errors and improves the overall quality of your form. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to configure validation settings in Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.